Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to V tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how to verify a Latoken account. Okay, how to verify a Latoken account. Okay, because in my last video we didn't verify the account, or I didn't show how to verify the account. So today we're going to show it because a lot of my amazing client and a lot of my amazing subscribers are asking about it. So let's go into work. So make sure you have a Latoken account installed, open it, and you see this interface. Okay, the next thing that you need to do is to navigate yourself to the top left hand side. You see this place that is blue, and you see a little tool there in a red circle, right? So you click there. If you click there, you wait for it to open. Okay, now it's here. So the next thing you need to do, click on the number, verify your number. Okay, a code will be sent to your phone. Endeavor to use it. Mine has come. I'm using the code now. Okay, all right. Okay, the phone number has been added. So the next thing that you need to do is to go to the tile and select the type of document you wish to use. Okay, if you want to use identity card, okay, you can just click on it and click OK to continue. If you want to use driver's license, do the same. Or you have a passport, which is an international passport, you can use it. Okay, so anyone that you have here, you can use it. You have passport, you have driver's license, you have identity card, any of it you can use it. Okay, but I advise you use driver's license or the identity card, because the passport doesn't pick on time. Okay, so anyone you click, make sure you say okay, continue. It will take you to the camera. You click on while using the app. If it takes you to the camera, you take the photo of the ID on land scale. Okay, let me show it to you. You turn your phone like this. Yeah, you see, take the photo on the land scale. Okay, take the photo on the land scale and upload it. So each one of it, anyone that you're using, that is simply what you just do. If it's the driver's license, if it's the ID card, that is simply what you just do. Okay, it's very simple. And the moment you do all that, all you just need to do is to click submit, and you'll be submitted for a review. Okay, so thank you so much for being with me. Please do like my video and as well share my video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.